ओबीसी
ओके. सर आयज टॅक्सीकार तुमकां मेळपाक आयिल्ले कितें?
जो इशू आहा तो सगळ्यांक खबर आहा तो एग्रिगेटराचो कॅब एग्रिगेटराचो आनीक जो जे नोटिफिकेशन गॅजेट ऑर्डर आशिल्ली तेजे विरूद्ध दे वर नॉट टेकन इन टू कॉन्फिडन्स आनीक आय थिंक सम डेलिगेशन एंड द चीफ मिनिस्टर वर्बली अश्योर्ड दॅट दे वूड बी टेकन इन टू कॉन्फिडन्स. वी डू नॉट ट्रस्ट दीस गवर्नमेंट वर्बली आनीक दे हॅव गिवन मी अनदर मेमोरेंडम highlighting several points. Basically, म्हाका दिसता this is an attempt made to get भायले भाड्याचे बैल. हांव भाड्याचे बैल कित्याक म्हणटा कित्याक आज दूख म्हाका जाता. कॅब एग्रिगेटर पॉलिसी हाडून इफ यू लूक एट द वे इट इज डिझायन no preference for locals, no preference for basically it is only for Ola and Uber. It is a shortcut and with this जो धंदो ट्रेडिशनल धंदो टॅक्सी काराचो with Goans are involved and they have been partners of the tourism chain right from म्हाका दिसता the tourism industry flourished in the state and there are several members in the ruling also who have objected to it. We have objected within the opposition the challenge. So whichever way how to take it out in the assembly and we should look at it the way that जे हे आमदार दाखयता की आमी कॅब एग्रिगेटरा बारा आहाय म्हणून ते म्हाका दिसता सगळे आमी हे प्रश्न जेन्ना मांडटाय विधानसभेत दे हॅव टू स्पीक कम फॉरवर्ड अगेन्स्ट दीस गव्हर्मेंट्स डिक्टेटोरियल पॉलिसी. तेचे भायर ते वर ओबीसीचे एक डेलिगेशन येयलें रिगार्डींग दे हॅव अबाउट 24 points that they gave me a memorandum. खास करून about two main highlights is about the post graduation in Goa Medical College. जो रोस्टर जो चेंज जावपा जाय बिकॉज प्रेफरन्स जे दोतोरांक मेळटा सगळे सर्जरी सीट्स जावं जनरल सर्जरी जावं एनिस्थेटिस्ट 1 to 31 ते फील जाता आनी मागीर आफ्टर 1 to 31 द 32nd पोस्ट आउट ऑफ द 60 मेजर डिपार्टमेंट्स post graduation the medical field जाय after that they get preference. So हुई ना हुई they say that it is an अन्याय on them. What all India medical science recommends it is against that. So that is one point. Secondly, other preferences with regards to with them having 27% of representation जावं together 20,000 rupees per month for jenna when a life is lost for the funeral expenses. So they petitioned several people, ST, SC commissions as well. And this is a long pending demand. Definitely in the last assembly also we raised it. We are confident that we will raise it and try and get it resolved. Tisro issue जो staff आशिल्लो MTS in the cardiology department, in the health department. There are about 16 of them. Nearly for the last 10 years, 12 years, they are not been regularized. Several other people are regularized. कित्याक थिंगा तेंका regularize करिना दुसरे because they do not belong to Walpoi, do not come from Sattari Taluka. This is something that we will ask the health minister because I think the High Court has also taken cognizance of about 800-900 people coming from one particular taluka. I have nothing to say on it because it is a sub judice matter, but म्हाका दिसता इतले आज गोंयकारांक फटोवपाचो जो प्रयत्न सरकार करता खास करून इन द लास्ट 2 months several delegations, several emails we have already put questions based on this in the past things whatever have happened and whatever way whatever medium we can take it out in the assembly. आज म्हाका दिसता it is only a 15-day session and when you say 15-day session it had to be technically 18 days under rule 258 and 259. Budget session is a discussion minimum 15 days asata anik demands also has to be 15 days and 3 days for budget, so it is 18 days. We now your sarkar aaj biela if you look at the questions they are put on the notice board. In the first week there are almost 23 to 24 MLAs questioning, so the ruling is also questioning the government. द रुलींग जे पट गेल्ले 8 जा पट गेल्ले डिफेक्ट कोन अच्छे दिन आएंगे मुझे हेंगेले मेजर क्वेश्चन है हेंगे चोयल्यार रे अच्छे दिन हुई गेले हे म्हाका दिसता जे फटोवपाचो हो प्रयत्न सरकाराचो तो इट इज कंटिन्यूड बट विच एवर मिडियम वी कॅन वी वील मेक शुअर दॅट दीस गव्हर्मेंट इज पूट ऑन द मॅट.
अनेक इश्यू हा म्हणटा तो आता